computer literacy and academic productivity among grade 12 students.
Grade 12 students rely on computer literacy to enhance their academic productivity. Yet many struggle due to limited access and inadequate training. This gap affects their ability to complete.
So the statement of the problem is, number one, is what is the level of computer literacy of the grade 12 students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? What is the level of academic productivity of the grade 12 students of PLNHS? Is there a significant relationship between computer literacy and academic productivity among the grade 12 students of PLNHS? And lastly, is there a significant impact of computer literacy towards academic productivity among the grade 12 students of PLNHS? So this is our conceptual framework. The independent variable is the computer literacy with the dependent variable academic productivity. The theory that we use is the technology acceptance model of Davis, 1989. So the research methodology that we use, the research design is descriptive to relational. The research respondents that is 69 out of, the sample is 69 out of 255 grade 12 students of PLNHS who are enrolled for academic year 2024 to 2025. We use simple random sampling. The research instrument is researcher-made survey questionnaire, and the statistical treatment of our data is mean standard deviation, person R, and simple linear algebraic regression analysis. Results and discussion. So the descriptive level of computer literacy among grade 12 students is high, with the overall standard deviation of 0.75 and a mean of 4.10. The descriptive level of academic productivity among grade 12 students is very high, with the overall standard deviation of 0.69 and a mean of 4.21. The correlation between computer literacy and academic productivity, the decision on H0 is rejected. Therefore, there is a relationship between computer literacy and academic productivity. The influence of computer literacy on academic productivity. Summary, conclusion, and recommendation.
The study confirmed that the highlights either computer literacy in position with a greater academic probability among grade 12 students.
Conclusion. The study confirms that high computer literacy is linked to greater academic productivity among grade 12 students.
Our recommendation, number one, schools should enhance digital literacy programs by providing hands-on training, workshops, and access to essential digital tools to improve students' technological skills. Number two is training sessions for both students and teachers should be implemented to ensure effective use of digital tools in education, promoting interactive and technology-driven learning. Third is activities like coding workshops and multimedia projects should be introduced to boost students' confidence in using technology, improving efficiency and academic performance. Lastly, integrating computer literacy into the curriculum and collaborating with industry professionals can equip students with real-world digital skills for academic and career success. And that's all. Thank you.
Good morning once again. So, since it allows for an analysis of the relationship between computer skills and academic success of the students, so how does the level of computer literacy among grade 12 students of Pablo Lorenzo National High Schools affect their academic productivity in terms of research, assignment, and overall performance?
It affects because students rely on computer skills like keyboard skills like that. It can affect in both sides, in academic and achieving better academic outcomes.
Can you give us an insight about how can this body of knowledge contribute to your strand, to the existing body of knowledge in your strand?
Can I include EVL?
Yeah, sure. Because it is under TVL, technical vocational language.
The findings of this study can contribute to EVL, track, and CSS run because it can enhance the training methodologies, technical skills, and bridge gaps between education and industry needs. That's all.
Congratulations.
So thank you so much, Grade 12 Generosity, for that amazing presentation. So now let us proceed to the next presenter from Grade 11 Sapphire with a study about cultural influence of artificial life from 1800 to present, a historical analysis.